Here to talk about our new Burkle glue spreader. The one that we had before, you used to have to manually adjust the wheels on it, and for your thickness and your height would lead to operator error, as well as you'd never know how much glue you're actually putting on the board unless it was dialed in properly. The new option we have here now has a height adjustment, automatically measures the board. It will put the proper amount of glue on the board that is needed, not too much. So therefore there's not much at all, if any, glue wastage coming off that board. The doctor roller also has a cooling unit now put into it. So therefore our employees in the old days used to have to add water to the glue when they went on lunch break just to keep the viscosity of the glue. Now with the doctor roller being cooled, we no longer have to do that. So with less wastewater being having to take care of or get rid of, we used to put the wastewater into the sorbond and then it would solidify itself. Now we're just taking the wastewater, because there's minute wastewater, and we're putting it in with sawdust. So our disposal charges are a lot less, getting rid of less contaminants.